These are the 8-inch oak wood grinders. I have had these for 5 years. I've been very happy with them. I haven't had any issues. I just want to take off the top to show you how you fill it. And then on each grinder, it has either the S or the P on the wood portion or I should say, and on the top. So there's no confusion on which one that you have. They're high quality, they feel nice in your hand. These work great for everyday cooking or as a gift. So if you want something that is functional and stylish, these are a great pick.